This is a demonstration of submitting a UK MTD VAT return using Stansoft. From the master menu, select Tax Control, VAT Return Report. Before submitting your first report, you'll need to enter Setup by pressing F4. And in here, the 9 boxes of the VAT return are displayed. And here's where you'll define which tax use group is attached to each of these boxes. That will pull either your sales or your purchases, depending on how the use groups are defined, which we won't go into detail here, but you can find more information on use group setup in the manual. On box 1, we'll press F4, and as you can see, UK Cust is defined for that box. Box 2, EU Vend. Box 4, EU Vend, UK Vend. Box 6, EU Cust, UK Cust. Box 7, EU Vend, UK Vend. Box 8, EU Cust. Box 9, EU Vend. Now once back on the main screen, we'll enter our date range for the period we are submitting the VAT return for. Press Escape. That brings us up to the Authorize option on the top ring menu. Press Enter on that, and that will generate this URL link here, which must be copied and then pasted using the middle mouse button into your web browser. You will log into the government site from the URL you pasted and grant authority, and that will generate an authorization code, which you will copy and paste back into Stansoft. Once you have your authorization code, pressing Enter on that screen will bring us back up to the ring menu. Select Token, paste in your authorization code. Next, select Obligations. That will give you a list of open obligations, which you'll notice by the O underneath Status. So we'll select the open obligation. Next, select the Submit option. Here it will list the VAT return with all the 9 boxes pre-populated. If everything looks okay, then you will confirm to submit. And it gives us a message: VAT return has been submitted. And this concludes submitting a VAT return.